Direct variation. Ramu sells 1 kilogram of apples for rupees 80. He gives 2 kilograms of apples for rupees 160. I can buy 3 kilograms of apples for rupees 240 from him. Ramu sells 6 kilograms of apples for rupees 480 and he will give 12 kilograms of apples for rupees 960. Here, the ratio of the weight of apples to the price of apples are 1 upon 80 is equal to 1 upon 80. In the second case, it is 2 kilograms upon rupees 160. That is equal to 1 upon 80 when reduced to lowest terms. In the third case, the ratio is 3 upon 250, which comes out to be equal to 180 on reducing to lowest terms. Similarly, in the fourth case also, the ratio comes out to be 1 upon 80. In the fifth case also, the ratio comes out to be 1 upon 80. Now, in all these 5 cases, the ratios weight of apples to price of apples are equal. Weight of apples, if we consider as X and price of apples as Y, then the ratio X upon Y is a constant quantity which we name as K. K is the constant of proportionality. Two quantities vary directly if an increase or decrease in one quantity produces an increase or decrease in the other quantity. Let us now consider an example. Meenakshi can type 630 words in 9 minutes. How many words will she type in 1 hour? The question is from Mathsist Class 8 by Hedward Publishing Company. In 9 minutes, Meenakshi can type 630 words. This is given in the sum. What do we have to find out? We have to find out how many words will she type in 1 hour. First, we will change 1 hour into minutes so that both the time measurements are in the same units. Now, when we convert 1 hour to minutes, we get 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now, time taken in minutes is given in one column of the table and the number of words typed are given in the other column of the table. Now, in the table, we can see that Meenakshi takes 9 minutes and she can type 630 words. Now, she is taking 1 hour or 60 minutes. And how many words can she type? We have to find out that. If we look at the table, we will find two ratios between the time taken. What are the two ratios? We can make two ratios. One is 9 upon 60 and the other is 60 upon 9. Out of these, which is the smaller ratio? 9 by 60. Which is the bigger ratio? 60 by 9. Now, will the number of words typed by Meenakshi in 60 minutes be more or less than the number of words typed in 9 minutes? In 60 minutes, Meenakshi will type more words than in 9 minutes. The answer should be more than 630 words. Out of the two ratios, we will choose the bigger ratio, which is 60 by 9, because we want an answer which is more than 630 words. Therefore, number of words Meenakshi can type in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, is given by 630 into bigger ratio, that is 60 by 9. And when we calculate this, we will get that Meenakshi can type 4,200 words in 1 hour. Now, in our daily lives, we often have to compare quantities. The commonest is the price of objects like 2 erasers will cost how much and 7 erasers will cost how much. The calculation is done easily by the ratio method using our common sense. Ratios are easy to understand, as easy as deciding which will cost more, 5 objects or 2 objects. Simple. Ramu sells 1 kilogram of apples for rupees 80. Bablu sells 1 box of 12 kilograms of the same apples for rupees 900. Now we have to make a choice. If you need 12 kilograms of apples, will you buy them from Ramu or from Bablu? I will buy them from Bablu because Bablu is giving it for rupees 900 while Ramu is selling the same apples for rupees 960.